into your house, walked up the stairs, and I opened your door without ringing the bell. Walked down the hall into your room where I could smell you, and I shouldn't be here without permission, shouldn't be here. Would you forgive me, love, if I didn't see your shower? Would you forgive me, love, if I laid in your bed? Would you forgive me, love, if I stay on after love? I took off my clothes, put on your robe, and I went through your drawers and I found your cologne. Went down to the den, found your CDs, and I played your Jolene. And I shouldn't stay long, you might be home soon, shouldn't stay long. Would you forgive me, love, if I didn't sit in your shower? Would you forgive me, love, if I laid in your bed? Would you forgive me, love, if I stay on after love? I burned your incense, I ran a bath, and I noticed a letter that sat on your lips. It said, hello, love, I love you so, love, meet me in midnight. And no, it wasn't my writing, I better go soon. It wasn't my writing, so forgive me, love, if I cry in your shower. So forgive me, love, for the salt in your bed. So forgive me, love, if I cry